Hello, welcome to this channel. This is the first of my videos that will guide you on how to set up your business website. If you follow me on this journey, you should be able to create your own website successfully, be it landing page, company website, or even online shop. The first step is about getting yourself a domain name. Getting a web hosting is the second step, which should also involve WordPress installation. The third stage will be on how you can create your website and add payment gateway. People should be able to go to your website, buy products and pay you. This video will focus on the first step, which is buying a domain. The second and third steps will come later. What actually is domain name? It simply means your address on the internet, www.mybusiness.com. It is your identity, so you must have one. That is the first step. After the domain name, you also need to get a place to host your website. A web hosting space is a place where you put your files, your products, and all the files that belong to your website. It's a rented portion of someone else's server. You have to rent this if you don't have your own server. You rent from service providers and pay for it monthly or annually. Whatever you put on the server, people can access them anytime, day or night. How to get your domain? Open your browser and just navigate to www.tempstar.com. You can also get your domain anywhere else, but if you want to follow through my tutorial, you are better off with temps.com. Go to www.tempstar.com. At the top menu, go to domains, then click on register domain. Here you have to type the domain you want, your business name or whatever name. Click on search. If the name you want is not available, you have to try another one until you find a name that is available. You can vary the extension .com or .com.ng or .ng. Make sure you find yourself a domain name. Click add to cart and follow the flow. You really don't need to do much configuration. It's important to fill in your real information because that must be submitted to the domain registrar. You have to also set a password and make sure you keep it safe. That is the password that you will use to log into your account. Make sure you keep your password safe and always reset your password if you think the password has been compromised. Complete your order by making payment. Now you have successfully purchased your domain name. Watch out for the next video on how you can buy web hosting. To get notified about the coming videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.